They're really cool. I especially love this one. I sound very proud after the bunny. Just so sweet. Oh, how I'd love to be in one of these. Huh? 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 What happened? Ow. We have to get you to a doctor. Right away. Why? What happened? We're not sure. Okay, hopefully the doctor knows. Later, at the doctor's. So, what exactly do you remember? Nothing, really. Ow. My table's a little wobbly. I'm sorry, dear. Just a moment. I'll be right back with the x-ray. Hello. I'm back. I see the nurse got you a better bed. Yeah. Now, I'm going to have to call the detectives, because this doesn't seem like a case I can solve myself. Okay, I'll go do it. Such a sweet girl. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, detectives? I need you to come over. You can't hear me? What? I can't hear you. What? Must have been some sort of error. Hello? What? Come close. Who are you? Closer. No. Why? We are here today in memory of Lucy Carter. She was a brave girl with a bold heart. She died the day after her wedding. Does anyone have something to say? We do. Come on up. Lucy was our sister. She was very kind-hearted. And yesterday was also her birthday. It was her happiest day of her life. And it was ruined the next day. Whoever did this, I'm warning you. I will find you. And I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help too. done it to me. Really? Does anyone else have something to say? Ew. Ew. That hurt. What? Will he ever be okay? Find out in the next episode of Dachshund in Date.